The dashboard will display any open offers. To navigate to an offer, click on the candidate's Go to the Offer Detail icon. A tab submenu is displayed. To update the offer information, the recruiter can choose the order that each of the menus are selected. The offer details information is split into a number of sections. The first section, Data Checks, displays information that is useful to the recruiter in order to make a provisional offer. In this example, the data check information reports that there are no prerequisites, and that the information requirements, interviews and attachments are colored green, indicating that they are complete. The candidate's notice period is shown. The preconditions and references are both colored orange, indicating that they are currently unresolved. To deal with the preconditions, click the submenu's Preconditions option. Click on the row edit icon. For our example, we will assume that the recruiter has granted the candidate's request for a travel loan, but only after the employment has been confirmed at the end of the 3-month probation period. The details of the condition will be entered into the proviso field. The status of the precondition will be changed to accepted with proviso. Optionally include any internal notes. Click Save. OK. Click on the submenu's Offer Details menu option. The preconditions is now displayed green. The references are being shown as unresolved. However, for our example, we will request references after the candidate has accepted the provisional offer. Click on Edit. The offer details display is pre-populated with the policy information and information from the campaign setup. If necessary, under the Offer Forms section, enter a cover note to the candidate. Taking into account the candidate's notice period, set a proposed start date. Set the offer salary and indicate the salary unit. Or include a pay description. Enter details regarding the contract hours. Check the benefits that have been imported from the role. Confirm the holiday entitlement. Optionally add an addendum. Confirm the offer expiry date. If required, enter any notes or instructions for the HR department. Once the offer information has been updated, under the Pre-Offer Checking section, set the checked status to OK to confirm that the information checks have been completed. Optionally add any notes. Click Save. OK. The status dot will turn green. This will enable the Make a Job Offer icon. Click on the Offer Letter Preview icon to preview the candidate's letter. If the preview is correct, click on the Make a Job Offer icon. OK. Click on the campaign or the role. The offer status has changed to Provisional Job Offer Made. The candidate will be able to suggest an alternative start date. If the candidate requires any clarification, or has any queries, they will be encouraged to communicate via the chat facility. If changes to the offer are required, they can be made and the offer reissued as a new revision.